Most people compare Dave and Albert the wrong way. They focus only on the cash advance limit and completely ignore the one thing that actually matters in an emergency: speed. Because when your account is negative and your paycheck is still 2 days away, waiting can feel impossible. Here's the truth no one tells you. Both Dave and Albert advertise fast cash advances, but the real deposit speed depends on how you transfer the money, what bank you use, and whether you are willing to pay extra fees. In this video, I'll break down which app deposits faster in 2026, how long each one really takes, the hidden delays most users never expect, and which app is actually better for emergency situations. And stay until the end, because one of these apps is usually faster for first-time users, while the other tends to improve over time. Let's get into it. First, let's answer the big question directly. If you use standard transfers, both Dave and Albert can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. That surprises a lot of people. Most ads make it sound instant by default, but standard transfers are often slower unless you pay for expedited delivery. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both apps offer instant or express transfers for eligible users. And in many cases, those transfers can arrive within minutes. But here's the problem. Within minutes does not always mean guaranteed instantly. Your bank matters a lot. For example, Jake uses Dave with a major bank that supports real-time transfers. His advance shows up in about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, Alex uses a smaller regional bank that processes transfers slower. Even with express delivery, it takes nearly an hour. Same app.io. Completely different experience. Now let's compare Dave first. Dave is known for relatively fast express transfers once your account is fully connected and verified. If you qualify for Express, the app can deposit money very quickly to supported debit cards. But this is where most people fail. New users often experience delays during account verification. Dave may review direct deposits, transaction history, or linked banking activity before approving the first advance. So while existing users sometimes get money almost instantly, first-time users may wait longer. Albert works similarly, but with slightly different patterns. Albert Instant allows eligible users to receive advances quickly, especially if they have supported banks and active direct deposit history. However, Albert's approval system can sometimes feel stricter during initial setup. That means some users get approved slower at the beginning, even if later transfers become faster. Now here's the key difference many users notice in 2026. Dave often feels faster for smaller emergency advances right away. Albert tends to reward longer-term account stability, with larger or smoother transfers later. And honestly, this is why opinions online are so mixed. One person says, Dave saved them in 10 minutes. Another says, Albert worked better after 3 months. Both experiences can be true. Now let's talk about express transfer fees because this changes the equation completely. Neither app is truly free if you want immediate money. Dave charges express fees depending on transfer type and amount. Albert also charges fees for instant delivery in many situations. So technically, both apps give you a choice. Wait longer for lower cost or pay extra for speed. And this is where most people accidentally waste money. John needs $40 urgently for gas before work. He pays an express fee without thinking twice. That feels reasonable once. But if someone does that every week, those fees quietly start stacking up. In a minute, I'll show you which app usually works better for true emergencies. But first, let's talk about weekends because this is where timing gets confusing. How fast do Dave and Albert deposit on weekends? Express transfers can still work on weekends for supported banks. That is the good news. The bad news is standard transfers often slow down significantly during weekends and holidays. For example, if you request a standard transfer Friday night, you might not see the money until Monday or even Tuesday depending on banking schedules. That catches a lot of people off guard. And here's where it gets interesting. Some users think the app caused the delay when it was actually their bank processing system. This is why supported debit cards matter so much for faster transfers. Now let's compare setup speed. Dave usually has a simpler onboarding experience for many users. You connect your bank, verify identity, and potentially qualify relatively quickly if your deposits are stable. Albert can sometimes require a bit more account history before larger advances become available. But here's the problem. Neither app guarantees instant approval. That misconception causes frustration online. Some people install these apps expecting immediate access within 5 minutes, but financial apps still use risk systems behind the scenes. Now, let's talk reliability. Speed means nothing if the app crashes or declines advances unexpectedly. Dave has built a reputation around easy emergency access, but some users report fluctuating limits. Albert often positions itself more like a financial wellness app with budgeting tools plus advances. So the experience feels slightly different. Dave feels more emergency-focused. Albert feels more banking-focused. And that affects how quickly each app reacts to risk changes. Now here's something important most reviews ignore. Your own banking habits matter more than the app brand itself. If your direct deposits are inconsistent, your balance constantly hits zero, or your account shows frequent overdrafts, both apps may slow approvals or reduce access. Meanwhile, users with steady payroll deposits often experience smoother transfers on either platform. This is where most people fail. They blame the app when the real issue is unstable account activity. Now let's answer the practical question. Which app is better if you need money fast today? If you are a brand new user needing emergency money immediately, Dave often has the edge for simplicity and speed. But if you want a longer-term financial app with budgeting features, savings tools, and potentially smoother account growth, Albert may feel more polished over time. That said, neither app replaces a real emergency fund. And honestly, this is the part many influencers skip. Cash advance apps solve timing problems, not income problems. If someone constantly depends on instant advances every week, eventually the cycle becomes stressful. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Which app has fewer delays overall? Based on user experiences in 2026, delays usually happen for 4 reasons. Bank verification issues, unsupported debit cards, irregular direct deposits, and suspicious transaction activity. So whether you use Dave or Albert, reducing those problems improves your chances of faster transfers dramatically. Now let's compare a real-world example. Jake uses Dave with weekly payroll deposits and a major debit card. His express transfer arrives in about 8 minutes. Alex uses Albert with bi-weekly payroll and strong account history. His instant transfer arrives in under 5 minutes. Meanwhile, John signs up for both apps with inconsistent gig income and a new bank account. Both apps delay approval. That example explains why online reviews sound completely different from person to person. The apps are reacting to financial behavior patterns, not just usernames. Now let's quickly talk about safety because people ask this constantly. Both Dave and Albert are legitimate financial apps used by millions of users. Neither one is literally handing out free money. These are cash advances tied to expected future income. And users still need to repay the advances automatically later. That matters because some people misunderstand how these apps work. Now let's wrap this up clearly. If your main priority is getting emergency money quickly as a newer user, Dave often feels slightly faster and simpler. If you want a broader financial app experience with budgeting features and potentially smoother long-term usage, Albert may work better. But in both cases, your bank compatibility, direct deposit history, and account stability matter more than the marketing promises. And remember this. Instant transfers usually cost extra. Standard transfers are slower. And weekends can change timing dramatically depending on your bank. So before downloading either app expecting magical instant cash, make sure you understand how the transfer system actually works. If this video helped you decide between Dave and Albert, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest app comparisons in 2026. And in the comments, tell me which app delivered faster for you personally. I want to compare real experiences.